Kingston Western Police Division. The cops were reportedly responding to a call in the area due to gang feuds, when they were attacked by gunmen believed to be members of federal gang in Rema. The police have not confirmed whether Fletcher, who has a 6-year-old son, was a member of federal gang. Investigators said that another man who was involved in the shootout escaped. According to sources, the police entered a yard on 3rd Street and were shot at.
Good day, my wonderful friends. It's me again, the great. One more great countryman. Remember to like, share and subscribe and hit the notification button. Now, me go right in this. The youth here, him have 16 subjects and look how him end up. Let me repeat it one more time. Him have 16 subjects and end up turn a gunman. And police come, them hear shot a fire in the neighborhood. As a matter of fact, the police said them hear the shot. People call them and tell them about the gang a fire shot. And when them go in a yard, the man shoot off of them. Man shoot off of them. And him end up be the unlucky one get shot. And the other man them were there run with the film. What a piece of tragedy. And this is a constant reminder that crime don't pay. 16 subject, you know. His mother is heartbroken. His brother said that he noticed he was changing but couldn't do nothing about it. This guy was raised in a good family, but somewhere along the line he got tainted. That's because of probably mommy was a single mother. Him get caught up in the glorification, because when him go around and bridging them, him feel a sense of family. Man, them probably have money, you understand, and them show the quick fast lifestyle. And him get sucked into that. But 16 subjects. Him mother say him did try out to be a police and something about him criminal background check. So that never work out, and I guess him get discouraged. But yo, me can't stop saying the youth have 16 subjects. And look how him end up. Listen this.
When Fletcher's mother, Michelle, returned from work Friday afternoon, she was a woman of just a few words. Me no supposed to bury no child. A dem fi bury me, she told Jamaica First. She later shared that her son had plans to join the police force about 3 years ago, but when they come here to do background check, the people dem residents tell them otherwise. Jackson added that he recognized a change as Fletcher got older. Meanwhile, Jackson laughed when he was told that his brother was hailed as Pastor Fletcher by his peers during his high school years, because of how he carried himself, and his dedication to church. Fletcher is a youth that always was the good one in our family. Fletcher is a youth that always tried to make the family happy. My brother has 16 subjects.
Me nah lie, that one here is a doozy. But this is what we get. Once again, when you got the country with these governments, whether PNP or GLP, me's a Jamaica nationalist. When them got the country, education, jobs, healthcare, everything, then you have a youth like this now, 16 subject, trapping at the ghetto, and sees no way out. Next thing you know, him start hanging with the wrong crowd. His mother have to work. She's a single parent. You hear she say, when she come home from work, she just have to shake her head. cause she never expect for bury her son. So we all see the scenario. So whether you're in America, Canada, Jamaica, Japan, Trinidad, are the same formula. It's not like one formula work America and then it no work no. It's the same formula. Single parent need help. Community need help. Policing alone nah go do it. You see what I'm saying? And really and truly, I feel bad about that story. Cause the youth shouldn't lose him life like that. I mean nah blame the police them. Cause the police them a do them job. If anything, I blame that youth for him own death. And that's what I see. But I hope other youths learn from this. Because it is so sad. Him have 16 subjects and felt like he was in a bottomless pit. Till him have to end up join a gang and turn a gunman. That is Jamaica. Yo, my name is Countryman. Remember to like, share, subscribe, and hit the notification button and click on another video. And this is what we're dealing with. I'm out.